I didn't do a lot of video. I didn't do a lot of video on last week because I just had a lot of little things to do. This is just kind of an update of what's been going on. We got it painted, got the cabinets painted, handles put on them. Shower's completed. I'm getting it set up for tile this week. Put down some HardiePacker board. These cabinets got completed. I've done most of the plumbing, almost done. I have to finish it up. Sink is in. No water yet. We just bought the mirror. It's going to be an oval mirror right there. Lights. Haven't done the trim on the doors yet. Haven't put the pocket door in yet. It's to come. The other thing I did was put the screws in the plywood. That's why I said I didn't get a lot. I got a lot done, but nothing to really show. Outlet covers on, being painted. She just bought some curtain rods and curtains. Next thing is going to be some carpet. Oh, and tile. We picked this for the tile. That. Well, I said we're going to do that, but the tile's going to go down. I think that's going to look good. Kind of went with the grays. That way we can choose other colors on the plywood. I got a door in here. I don't know if I showed you this before, but I ain't got no handles on it yet because I'm trying to trim it, paint it. She's got most of the wood tore up. Small section left. We gotta put another coat of paint in here. Didn't quite cover as well. And some touch up. It's getting there. I think we should be done within a couple weeks. I think we're gonna hold off on trimming these things out in the doors until I get the other side finished. And then we might even pay somebody to put the base on and trim the doors out. We'll have to see. But yeah, it's really coming along. Like I said, this is pretty much done. Some carpet. Toilet goes in after the tile. I think the bathroom came out pretty good. I think. We mounted the medicine cabinet over here and chose to do just a mirror because originally we weren't going to make the cabinet that long, and it ended up that long because we ended up buying this and putting it in the space, and it was a little longer. So everything is a little off to this center. Not a big deal. Not a big deal, I don't think. But everything came out pretty good. This actually don't work. Again, that was going to set up for drawers that I hope to make sometime later on. Alright, that's it for this week. We'll see what happens next week. I'm sure we'll get more done.